In the box. 10-foot USB-C to USB-C 2. 0 fast charging cable. Extensive compatibility. USB-C to USB-C 2. 0 cable enables you to connect all USB Type-C enabled devices, MacBook, Chromebook Pixel, Galaxy Note 7, etc. With standard USB Type-C 2.0 enabled devices and accessories, smartphones, car, wall charger, multi-port adapters, etc. Ultra-fast. Supports USB PD fast charging up to 60 W 20 volts, 3A. Charges phones and laptop with USB-C ports at high speed. Supports data transfer speed up to 480 megabits per second. Durably made. Braided nylon fiber cloth provides protection, strength, and flexibility. Added layer of protection for improved durability and to reduce fraying. Cables have been tested to bend 95 degrees 5,000 times. Reversible design. Easily insert the connector into any Type-C enabled device. Does not matter which side is up. USB 2.0 compliant. Certified by USB if to be compliant with USB 2.0. Top reviews from the United States. I got this to replace my MacBook Pro charging cable. I have a 2020 MacBook Pro and the charging cable got chewed up by one of my cat's sad face. Luckily this cord works perfectly. I highly recommend it. It seems like she does not like to chew this one.